Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Vision of the Divine Cosmic Form. Chapter 11, Shloka 48 and 49. Neither by the study of the Vedas, nor by sacrifices, yagnas, nor by gifts, nor by rituals, nor by severe austerities can I be seen in this form in the world of men by any other than yourself, O great hero among the Kurus.
Chapter 11, Shloka 48. न वेदयज्ञाध्ययनैर्न दानैर्न चक्रियाभिर्न तपोभिरुग्रैः एवं रूप शक्य अहं नृलोके द्रष्टुं त्वधन्येन कुरु प्रवीर.
Be not afraid nor bewildered on seeing such a terrible form of mine as this. With your fear dispelled and with gladdened heart, now behold again this form of mine.
Chapter 11, Shloka 49. मा ते व्यथा मा च विमूढभावो दृष्ट्वा रूपं घोरमितृङ्ममेतं व्ययेथभिः प्रीतमना पुनस्त्वं तदेव मे रूपम् इदं प्रपश्य.
Chapter 11, Shloka 48 and 49. What was at the back of the mind of the Lord when he expressed the previous shloka is clear from this shloka. The importance of a steady mind and an integrated interned intellect is necessary for proper understanding, in the clear light of which the vision can be illumined and the final experience gained. None can see the universal form merely because of one's study of the Vedas or on the strength of one's sacrifices, nor can one gain it by merits gained through the distribution of gifts or through performing rituals or even through constant practice of severe austerities. These are no doubt necessary and always helpful in preparing the seeker to realize the essential unity beneath the perceived plurality, but neither a mere book study, nor empty ritualism, nor physical tapas in themselves will, as an effect of them, bring about an understanding and the final experience. Means preparatory to the final end are not to be confused with the goal. Like cooking in itself cannot appease hunger, but that does not mean that cooking is unnecessary. After cooking, there is and must be eating. Shloka 49. For none of the known methods of self-development is capable of producing this glorious achievement. It is said, this passage announces the return of the Lord into his gentler attitude and loving form. Lord says, with your fear dispelled and with gladdened heart, now behold again the form of mine. The identity between the universal form, the terrible totality, and the gentle form of Krishna, the divine individual, is beautifully brought about by the term, this my former form. In fact, the microcosmic representation of truth smiling temporarily from the assumed mortal form of Krishna is itself the macrocosmic universal form wherein he expresses himself as the essence in all forms and names, as pointed in the Mahavakya Tat Tvam Asi. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.